What's going on, guys? Welcome to Outdoors Addiction, the first fishing trip of the season of 2022. Hopefully we can produce some fish out of this creek. I'm not sure. I'm using red worms down there with some combos that I got on sale from Walmart. I believe that was 15, that was 10 bucks. I put some Omniflex 10-pound line on there using this little sinker here with the Aberdeen hook, kind of tiny. We're gonna see what bites. All right, we're gonna get these casted out there. Let's see if we can catch some fish today. It is cold. There's still a little bit of snow on the banks on the other side. We're gonna see if we can catch a sucker, maybe a bullhead, maybe a bluegill, something. I don't care what it is, but we need to catch something. Let's see what the first fish is going to be of the 2022 season. As we all know, guys, I am not a lover of monofilament. I do got 10-pound monofilament on there on these reels. I think that's a good size, a good test for all-around fishing, especially like multi-species fishing. And I do gotta say, I gotta give props to Mr. Realistic Fishing, Mr. Alex over there at his channel. This monofilament here is some good stuff, and it's I don't have nothing bad to say about it so far. I came out here, tossed it out, no coiling, no nothing. It's pretty good stuff, man. I gotta give my respects to Mr. Alex over there at Realistic Fishing. I'm usually a braid guy, but I decided to try this Omniflex by Zepco out, and I'm not even kidding. It's some good stuff, man. I'm not gonna lie. I've been getting hits on both rods, but they're not committing. Maybe the water's still too cold. I don't know if you guys can see over there at the edge. There is still snow, a little bit of snow, whatever's left. And this water might be too cold, but I got little Aberdeen hooks on here. I forgot what size they are. I have to look in a minute. But if you guys were just wondering, this one here is the Zepco Genesis. I got this rod right here and reel. That was a combo for 15 bucks. This one over here, it is a Real Tree brand. It's not really, nothing too extraordinary, nothing too expensive or nothing like that. This rod and reel combo was 10 bucks. Maybe there's a fish on, guys. Let's see what goes on here. Fish on. Got a fish, guys. Yeah, baby. It's the first fish of 2022. Let's go. Let's see what it is. It's probably a sucker fish. Probably a sucker fish. Come on, baby. Don't break my line. Don't break the line. Yep. Let's go. Uh-oh. Got him, guys. Got him. Oh, man. I forgot my net. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, doggy. Let's get on this side. I knew it was going to be a sucker fish. First fish of 2022. Let's go, baby. The size hooks that I'm using here, guys, are these cheapies. The Ozark Trail. You get 8 of them. Aberdeen hooks, size 6. There you go. That's what I'm using today. I've been getting a lot of bites. This rod over here is getting a bite again. It's probably another sucker or a bullhead. I've pulled out bullheads out of here before, and bluegill. So hopefully we can hook up to another one and make this video worthwhile. These guys are hitting so lightly. I didn't even know that there was one on this pond in here. Light. There's one on there right now as we speak. There's probably another sucker. Wouldn't doubt it. That's what overruns this creek here, is the sucker fish. It is another baby sucker. I don't know what these are normally called. I just call them a sucker fish just because of their mouth. They have a weird looking mouth. I don't have a net, guys. I forgot my net. No. Hold on. Trying to get you up here, guy. Totally forgot my net, and it's really steep here. So I hope this doesn't injure him. There we go. Another sucker fish. Come on, stop it. Stop rolling around, guy. This is number 2 of the day. Let's get a good picture of him, man. There he is. That would be bait if I was ready for catfishing, but it's a little bit too cold for catfishing still. This is the second fish that we caught today. It's another sucker. We are going to release this guy. These guys are fairly strong fish for their size. That's what it looks like. You lucky I'm not gonna use you for bait, guy. There he goes. Bye-bye. All the trash, guys, that people leave. Cans, Cheeto wrappers, pops. This is a shame, man. This is out in the middle of nowhere. Out in the middle of nowhere. All this stuff was here on the side. In here. Man, this is something that pisses me off really bad. This is one little bag. I'm gonna head over to the other side and see if there's more trash over there. I think we got another one right here, guys. This is number 3. These fish are biting very lightly. Therefore, I have the drag set very light. There are a bunch of sucker fish in here. This is another sucker fish that I got here. I forgot my tripod, forgot my landing net, forgot a bunch of stuff today as I was excited to get out here and just do a little bit of fishing. I'll try to get this guy up here. Hopefully he didn't swallow this. I've had about 3 cars slow down and look and watch me fish, which is kind of freaking weird. Luckily it's daylight and it's not nighttime, and hopefully this fish I can land and put him up here. Okay, oh, come on, guy. There we go. He's mad. He's pissed off. But we're gonna get him off the hook here. I think this is going to be my last fish of the day. Let's see what we got here, guys. Here's another one. This is number 3, Mr. Suckerfish. They're actually beautiful fish. They're beautiful fish. And I don't know how these guys do well for cut bait. But this guy's he's twitching. But they're a beautiful fish, man. Nice green and white color. The belly's so white. They look healthy. All right, guys. There he is. A nice suckerfish. Going back into this beautiful creek here. This is number 3. And this is probably the end of my fishing trip. I'm just happy that I caught some fish. Bye-bye. Get out. There he goes. Well, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I caught 3 suckerfish. To me, it was a good day. It's a windy day, kind of cold still, but the good fishing is on its way. Cheers. Until next time, guys. Take it easy. God bless.